What's up, everyone? Just wanted to do a... Damn it. What's up, everyone? Just wanted to do a quick unboxing. Open this. So I got the Fuji X-M5. It's hella small. It's actually, where's my phone? So this is the size of this, and this is like iPhone. I already had these lenses at 27 2.8. See the Tiffin Pro Mist on this. Thumb grip, always. I have this little leather case from Small Rig. I also have this TT Artisans lens. It's supposed to be like a dispo lens. It's hella small, so it's like really thin, so really good pocketable setup. And then I'll probably do on camera on this, like I have this flash from my old Fujis, so this probably won't fit in the pocket, but I don't know, we'll see. Probably just shoot it like this majority of the time. Thumb grip on. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on. I kind of just bought it, but I want to see how it looks. It still keeps the footprint pretty small. I think, honestly, I think you can just put it like in a hoodie. So just leave it like this. It's probably the setup that I'd be using majority of the time. It's the 27 f2.8. The first thing I always do is kind of tape off these. I don't know, it's just me. I kind of just like covering this and like the Fujifilm. So in case you're curious of how I cover it, this and the XM5 part, I just order vinyl wrap. I kind of just guess the color code. I kind of just buy a couple of silvers and just gauge which one will match the color the most. And this is vinyl wrap that you use for cars. I don't think it'll focus, but I'll cut small little pieces like this and then just cover the logos. So this is how it'll look like pretty much when it's covered. Yeah. So pretty much just look like this. I cover the Fujifilm and I cover the where's it? XM5 here. It's not like a perfect match, but I think it's good enough. I guess I'll go into a little detail about the lenses. This is from TT Artisans, 18mm 6.3. So generally anything after a couple feet, it's in focus. It's probably not the best for indoor or like low light or lower light situations. It's probably the best for outside. It's supposed to kind of give you that disposable camera look. I kind of just really like how small it is. It's super tiny. Very tiny. It barely even sticks out of the camera, so I think it's perfect for this. And then I also have the 27mm pancake. So this is probably the better like everyday lens, just because it's autofocus, f2.8, so it's pretty good in low light. But generally this is probably what I'm going to be using. And then I guess if I'm just going to be outdoors a lot of the time, or if I just want to mess around with an 18mm, I'll be using this. There's no viewfinder on this, by the way. It's literally just a point and shoot. Probably in the next videos, I'll just post some examples, the image quality of this, and I do still have film simulations that I've created in the past, so I'm probably gonna try to translate it over here and see how it looks, and then I'll post those examples later. Lighting's hella cool.